Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we got the Lume panel mini. It's a small light panel as you can see. The reason I picked this up was because I feel like my videos needed better lighting. This is a and this was a good small form factor for way me to do that. And let's get into the unboxing. It came in from the shipping box with this plastic on. As you can see, this is how the box is. Sides, nothing really crazy. Just the back tells you a little bit about the device. You guys want to read that. Yeah, let's see where is there any tape? Yep, here, one there, one on this side. Mm, This is just gonna be a first impression and unboxing of the device. If I go take that over there, put that to the side. Let's just get into the cables. It does charge USB Type C, as you can see that. Comes with a nice cool cable. I believe so. This is a camera mount for you can put it on top of your cameras, basically. And that's pretty much it. Oh, it comes with a manual, I guess. You want to read that, but that's yeah. And this is device. It comes with like a pre-installed diffuser, and here it is. As you can see, it's pretty small, little cube, and it already has like a built-in frost diffuser, and you can make it more by putting this on. And as you can see, it does have the appropriate cutouts. So if you want to mount this, it has a cutout on the side, there, and there. So you can mount it vertically and horizontally. And let's turn this on. Hopefully it has battery. Oh, there you go. So you can see it has an LED screen right there. Don't know if you guys can see that. It's only at 5% brightness. I don't know if you can see, but it does tell you right there on the left side how much battery you have left. It on my screen it shows 8.2 hours left at 1% brightness. There's a dial right here on the side that goes up. You see it gets brighter. Brighter, brighter. As it gets brighter, the battery starts going down to 40 minutes. So at 100% brightness and 3200 Kelvin, it'll give me 38 minutes of light. And you press the button one more time, it switches to the color temperature. So the lowest is 32 Kelvin, 3200 Kelvin, and the highest is 5600 Kelvin. As you can see, the higher you go, the more wider it turns. And you press it again, you can turn on the brightness or brightness. You can press the button again to make it warmer. Hopefully the catch is good in the video. And or you can make it again wider and turn it off real quick. As you can see, it was very bright. Let me get something for comparison. This is like a standard credit card size. So as you can see, it's basically the same dimensions, just of course a bit way fatter, thicker. But it basically it's just yeah, size of a credit card in a very small form factor. Feels good in the hands. Feels like it's aluminum. Feels very premium, as you can see. And I think that's gonna be it. Just wanted to show you guys my first impressions of the product and unboxing it. And if you have any questions about this product, just let me know down below in the comments. Peace.